Hey guys, I'm your host of your new YouTube channel is Mobile Gaming, and I'm here to show you some tips and tricks about the new game called Bubble Burst. So let's start the game and see what's gonna happen. Okay, there's a lots of level I have played, and I have reached to level 12, but I will show you how to play this game through from the level 1. Okay, just click it. This is this is called a matching game, like we played before. We have to match the birds through tap and dragging. We have to match minimum 6 birds together for this kind of biggie bird. It will help you to score more. You heard me right. You see, we have to you have to score a certain number to qualify for the next round. That's why I am doing this. And if you can drag more than 6, it will help me to score more. You can see that we are trying, but we can't cross the number. So let's try it again. Let's see what could I do. Okay, we have a lots of yellow birds. Yes, it really helped me to score more. Okay, I'm enjoying it. Actually, it's really having fun to have this kind of game in your mobile. Oh, I missed one word. Okay, let's see what we do. Yes, you can see it's helping me a lot to score a good number. I think this time I can cross this. Definitely, I think I will cross this. Okay. No, I can't failed. I'm a little slow again. Okay, no problem. Let's try it again. Go through the menu, play button, and level 1. We have to do it very quickly, otherwise it might run away with the times. Yes, I think I have to do this very quick in time. Yes, I think this time this game is helping me to score very faster than it do last time earlier. Okay, I have to see how to manage the game. Okay. Yes, I think yes, I have crossed this time the targeted score. Okay, just like this, you have to play through the other level, and I think yeah, it might help you out how to play this game. I think sometime when when we start a new game, we don't know how to play it. That's why I make this for you guys. If you like this, then please give like and do subscribe my channel. Okay guys, that's for now. Bye. And I'm sorry for my voice, I'm not feeling well right now. I have a fever. Okay, um please, that's a very, I'm trying to give you the best, but if I do something wrong, I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, bye.